L.A Eyeworks is very quickly becoming one of my favourite eyewear brands. And hopefully in this video you're going to get a glimpse into why that is. I'm going to be showcasing 5 new styles, that's new shapes, new colours, and explaining a little bit about what kind of character those frames portray and whether they might be perfect for you. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant here at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And since launching L.A Eyeworks in our store, they have been the perfect glasses for quite a huge number of people. They've been extremely popular and we've almost sold out of our initial selection. Luckily we had some pieces on back order and those have just arrived, and those are the ones that I'm going to be showcasing for you today. So the first style that I've been absolutely desperate to showcase for you is called the Cola, which you see here in this beautiful iridescent blue colour. It's a gorgeous, sumptuous colour, and that's definitely representative of the collection as a whole. Wearing this frame, it's a very interesting take on a basic square shape. Where L.A Eyeworks have definitely showed their worth is with the dip on the bridge here, the angular nature of the style, and very small touches like the elements here at either side of the bridge. They're a very comfortable frame to wear, almost acrylic feeling, which is a lot lighter than acetate, but they've achieved that almost acrylic look and feel from acetate. But acetate is a lot more premium than acrylic, it's a lot better quality, and therefore it's definitely worth the effort of using acetate if you're able to achieve this kind of effect, which L.A Eyeworks have been able to do by partnering with some of the best factories in Japan. It's very easy to tell that these are Japanese made frames from the smoothness of the finish, the pristine quality, and the immaculate finishing. Moving on, the Sand is definitely a more feminine style, but I'll wear it for you anyway, because why not? I think a guy could definitely pull off this frame if you wanted something that is a little bit more on the feminine side, but primarily this is going to be a style for ladies. And this is another unique take on a fairly conventional style, which is the cat's eye shape that you see a lot of ladies' frames made in. What differentiates a cat's eye frame is when the corners sweep up slightly, and this one just does it a touch. It's the fact that it doesn't do it very much that means that this could be worn by either a man or a lady quite comfortably. The colour combination is again beautiful. We have this deep burgundy on the front and then a lighter blue to the inside. I'll show you there. So there's the burgundy finish, and that's the blue on the reverse. A really gorgeous colour combination. Again, we see that almost signature dip to the bridge. That makes the shape, like I said, that little bit more interesting, that little bit more special. And it's clear to see that L.A Eyeworks are being designed by people who are meeting clients in practice. The owners of L.A Eyeworks also run their flagship stores in LA. And I think it's only by meeting the public, by meeting individuals and seeing how they respond and how they wear frames, that you can really gauge what are going to be the best styles for people. I can very often tell the difference between a brand that's designed by eyewear designers who do have a role themselves and brands that are designed by actual opticians, and these fall into the latter category. This style, the Satchel, we featured on our previous showcase of L.A Eyeworks, but not in this colour. And this colour is definitely more original than the fairly regular conventional tortoise shell that we showed in that video. This is a striped grey and black acetate, but the striping pattern is extremely unique. I've never seen a stripe pattern like this before. This is obviously one of the unique acetates that L.A Eyeworks have worked with. So what you tend to find with the better quality and more passionate eyewear brands is they'll actually create acetates themselves. What I mean by acetates are the blocks of material from which the frames are cut out. A lot of designers will use a conventional acetate, so they'll take a stock acetate and they'll make their frames from it, and that's why you see so many frames in like the same black, tortoise shell, maybe crystal. You see a lot of those colour combinations, and that's because they're using stock acetates. And it's clear to see from the L.A Eyeworks collection, not just the ones I'm showcasing today, but the ones from the previous video, are featuring custom acetates. That's why you get colour combinations that you just don't see in any other brand in the world. Having said that, this is probably the easiest, the most safe, conventional style from the 5 that I'm showcasing today. This one is called Trout, and it's a semi-transparent acetate. so it lets through some of the light. It's not blocking all the light completely. And this is a style to wear if you're someone who doesn't want to make too much of a statement, but wants a really nice, clearly premium pair of glasses. This is neutral enough to go with anything. It's got a slightly vintage vibe to it. So if you're the kind of person who perhaps wears suits but not in an overly formal way, this would look perfect. At the same time, you could dress it down. I could see you wearing this frame with jeans. It's definitely a unisex style again. The slightly rounded square, which is what this frame is dead easy to wear for a man or a lady. Very easy style to go with, but still with that cool factor that you get from a brand like L.A Eyeworks. And that contrasts against the initial two that I showed you, which are clearly a lot more vibrant, a lot more colourful, and definitely for someone who wants something a bit more daring. Finally, here we have the Lagos, but in an absolutely awesome colour combination. So this is a crystal blue acetate, but with a stripe, a band of brighter blue coming through the middle. I hope you can tell. Certainly you'll be able to tell if I hold it up to the camera. Now this kind of style works amazingly with a tinted lens. If you order this frame, you must order a blue tint on the lens to finish it off. I'm kind of disappointed that L.A Eyeworks didn't just include that standard, because I feel like it really completes this frame. But top tip, if you're ordering a frame like this, you definitely should go with a slight blue tint, about 10%. The Lagos is a quintessentially L.A Eyeworks kind of style, where they've taken a relatively conventional shape, but added their own flamboyances, their own finishing touches to make it that little bit, well, not even just that little bit, that extra bit more extravagant. It's a cool, beautiful frame that is definitely suited to people who want a more conventional rectangular style, but at the same time want to be trendy and fashionable. This achieves that. It's clear to see, and it's one of the things that I appreciate most about the L.A Eyeworks collection, that there are little to no embellishments on the frames. Albeit on the Satchel, you do have those two rivets where the hinge is joined into the frame, but it's extremely minimal. There's very little to the frames other than the colours and the shapes. That's what it's all about. And it's clear that the founders of the brand, Barbara McReynolds and Guy Garardi, have put so much effort into designing awesome shapes in awesome colours. That's what L.A Eyeworks stands for. They're beautiful glasses without the need for fancy logos, fancy embellishments. They're just cool styles. They're just cool styles without the need for any fancy logos or embellishments. And that appeals to me, and that's why they're very quickly becoming one of my favourite brands. If you're ever in LA, you must visit their flagship store. But if you're not in LA, video call me and I'll take you through the collection. I'll showcase the different styles that are available and help you choose the one that's perfect for you. If you're interested in that, there's a link in the description where you can email me, get in touch, and I'd love to help you out. Or if you're in the UK, come and see us. We have a scheme that helps to facilitate people visiting from further afield. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've certainly loved presenting L.A Eyeworks to you. It's, like I said, one of my favourite eyewear brands now. I absolutely adore the collection. I'm a big fan of their ethos, the whole philosophy behind the brand. If you missed my initial showcase of them, please do check that out. But in the meantime, give us a like, subscribe to the channel because it really helps us grow. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.